Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your VR headset. There are two main types of resets, a soft reset and a factory reset. A soft reset is like restarting your computer, while a factory reset wipes all data and returns your device to its original state. Understanding the difference is crucial before you begin, as a factory reset will erase all your games, apps, and settings, requiring a complete resetup. Performing a soft reset is usually straightforward and can resolve many minor glitches. Typically, you'll hold down the power button on your headset for about 10 to 15 seconds until it powers off completely. Wait a few moments, then press the power button again to turn it back on. This process won't delete any of your data or settings, making it a safe first step for troubleshooting small issues like frozen screens or minor performance hiccups. A factory reset is a more drastic measure, often used for persistent software problems or when preparing to sell your headset. This process will erase absolutely everything, so it's vital to back up any important data beforehand. The exact steps vary by model, but generally involve navigating to the system's settings menu and selecting a factory reset or erase all data option. Some headsets might require a specific button combination during startup to access a recovery menu. After a factory reset, your VR headset will be just like new, requiring you to go through the initial setup process again. This includes pairing controllers, connecting to Wi-Fi, and reinstalling your favorite applications. It's also a good practice to immediately check for and install any available software updates to ensure you're running the latest, most stable version. Regular updates and proper care can help prevent the need for frequent resets in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.